this way.
Yep.
Yeah, I know.
So, both of these got to lock into here. Right below the nut.
Yeah.
I know.
What's the Ranger's weight? Because I don't want to start lifting that up. All right. Then we got to get these back ones. Oh, sorry. Got to bring them up. Yeah, lean forward a little bit.
Don't fall out.
Are you gonna rope it? You want me to?
Just make sure the back's coming up.
So, because here's gloves here if you want.
I can give it a
Whoever's
shot.
on rope control, I need 2 people.
Yeah.
And at least one of them with gloves.
Rope control.
Is this over your shoulder or under?
That's good enough.
You've got a song, Rope Control to Major Tom.
Yeah. Did you design this, Ed?
Major Tom.
Did I design the sling? No.
Who designed that?
A sling is designed by whatever company makes the sling.
Is it? That's what it's made for?
Hold on.
Hold on.
That's got to come down.
Yeah.
We're not pulling in the right direction. We're
Just
twisted.
doesn't seem like
Yeah, but on the other side.
Yeah.
All right, we've got to pull the armrest free because that's going to get in the way as well.
Wow.
Hey, at least he's got gloves and he's ready.
No more chocolate cake for her, man.
You were not here a moment ago.
No more chocolate cake for you.
No. All right, let's get that armrest out.
This thing.
Yeah.
Watch your feet.
Pull that free.
See, where's the rest of the fire department? This is entertainment.
Okay.
Right.
So you need to keep me away from the car as I try to pull this up.
Okay, and I should do this how?
You need to come over
I thought
here.
your legs need to be.
Oh yeah, that
Come
too.
over here
Yeah,
and
let's
pull.
start with
Hold on.
that.
We
Let's
need
get
your
my
legs
legs.
up.
Pull. Can you two?
I'll
Pull from the back.
This is gonna be so fucked up.
Lost a foot. Hold on.
Okay.
Lost the foot. Oh. Where's Pilar? We need her help.
No.
I
let
don't
it
know.
be gone.
She wants
Okay,
to
are we
watch
going?
this.
Yeah,
Yeah.
go up.
Okay.
Pull. Tagline. Pull. Pull. Oh, we're at the end of travel. All right.
Ass needs to go up.
Yeah, just hold it.
Yep.
How do we move this out of the way? I gotta go. Watch it behind you. Yep.
You gotta wait. You're in fast. Stop, stop. Oh my God.
Smiley though.
Hit mode. Yeah. There we go. No, because
Okay, so maybe your idea is instead of still bringing more in.
Yeah, I said to put on the other side.
Nice work.
Nice. Sometimes you just gotta do it the Greek way.
Malaka.
Nice, Malaka.
So, I think it still needs to be on that end.
Okay.
Not here.
Well, we're figuring this out. It's a work in progress.
If you would take